This is his first call ever.
How does this work? So you're telling me this thing?
Hello?
I can talk to Lazarus and Windsor. This guy.
How does it work?
Connor will be cold calling for the first time.
First time ever.
But I think he's gonna do really well. We follow a pretty tight script. Let's jump right into it.
So what we're gonna do is go to Google and then Google Tux Rental and then do Edmonton. We haven't hit Edmonton yet. We're gonna be looking for the owner. Yeah, I would say contact. Let's see if maybe in the footer, very bottom, they might have like Instagram. Okay, there we go. So open Instagram in a new tab. Right, so and their Instagram kind of looks like pretty crap, you know what I mean? Like it's not even formatted.
If it was all like this, like the red then the white, it would look a little bit better.
This is actually a very good lead. Give a call right now. If they say he's not available, ask them what's a better time to call back.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, could I talk to please?
Who's this?
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how about yourself?
Good, my name's Connor. I'm calling from Social Gravity. Have I called you at a bad time?
No.
Okay, the purpose of my call today, I'm just looking to get into your calendar sometime this week or early next week.
Is it like social media stuff?
Yeah, I help business owners that feel like they're getting left behind when it comes to new and growing online world. I actually don't know if that fully describes you yet or not.
Like, it's just that it's a little bit of a crazy period right now. I'm trying to put some stuff in order with the holidays and stuff.
Yeah, no, I completely understand with you. Like running a very successful business, it's not a small task. So that's exactly why I'm just asking for a quick 10-minute phone call.
I do have somebody that does like my graphic and maintains like the social media, like Facebook, Instagram, and stuff like that. You can find socks here, you can find belts here, you can find.
No, yeah, I completely understand. I checked out your website and it's a beautiful website. And looked around on your social medias a little bit, on your Instagram and Facebook and such. But from what I've seen so far on your socials and just talking to you seem like a great fit. I don't want to take up any more of your time. Obviously, you're really busy with the holiday season. So since I called you out of the blue, the next step here would be to schedule that call I mentioned with you.
Send me an email so I can have your contact and look over some stuff.
Okay, I have my calendar up here. Maybe like sometime Monday at 10 o'clock. If that would work for you, I could give you a call.
Like you can try me around 3.
3 o'clock? Yeah, that works. So Monday, December 23rd at 3, that works good with you? Perfect, so I've got that, and we will talk to you on Monday at 3.
Perfect, thank you.
Okay, yeah, you have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
The first one!
Let's go!
Yeah. Connor booked his first call.
And you did a good job for sure.
Hell yeah.
Especially first time around. You didn't sound that robotic. There was like only a couple moments where it felt scripted, but most of it wasn't. But if that was your first time doing it over the phone, that was really good. So
Connor's gonna keep going off camera and we're gonna move over to my desk and jump on a follow-up call for a demo, and hopefully this goes really well. Basically, the situation is this client wants to work with us. It's just their budget's a little tight right now. He did a lot of math and projections, so I want to work with him. I think that we can really help them. I think they have a great business, and they're very fast, they're very efficient, they have great service, but not a lot of people know they even exist. I really want to help them out, so I'm gonna jump on the phone with the owner right now. How's it going?
It's going.
Jeremy was telling me kind of about what you guys were talking about, and then I saw your email, so I wanted to hit you up directly. I just think, honestly, you guys have such a good business. Your guys are like in and out in like 5 minutes. I swear, I've never had that before. And I know that you guys are just kind of like lacking the awareness because you guys are tucked into the corner of the city. And I genuinely do think we can help and we can bring you a ton more people and a ton more awareness. But I do understand where it's like your cash flow, you ran the numbers and all that stuff, because what you and Jeremy discussed was like our flagship. So that's like the top of the line, everything's included. I want to see, I guess, kind of gauge your perspective. What do you think you need the most?
Probably like Facebook presence.
Since it's an awareness problem, I think that Facebook is going to be the best place, because we can literally just show people that are interested or fit the criteria that you guys are there. If we're just doing ad campaign on one platform, that's a month. Say we did a Facebook ads campaign, like we'd be coming in and getting videos and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome, thanks so much. I'm honestly really looking forward to it. Thanks, brother.
All right. Have a good one.
So we got the clothes. I'm so happy that I am able to help this business gather awareness. They're just tucked away and they have such a good business and no one really knows that they're even there. And now we're gonna have the opportunity to help this business owner get the awareness they deserve. If you haven't yet, subscribe to Social Gravity. We put out videos every single Friday. Give this video a like. You guys have a great day. See ya.